Now see children, we will write the next line. What was the next line? The loop letters E. From the third line to second line, making a loop like this, go to the second line again and make a loop, and then again and make a loop and come like this. E. Followed? Same way we will make L. You will go from the third line to the first line in a slanting way, come down straight, making a loop on top, again go in a slanting way, come down straight, and then go again to the first line and come down, and this is L. Over. You see the loops here. Followed? In T you don't have it. Followed? Now we will write what? Next letter is B. Same way like how you write L. You go like this, turn inside, bring it out, and then go up to the first line, come again to the third line, turn inside to the second line, and again go to the first line, come straight down and turn inside like this. B. Followed? Now we will write H. H for horse. Same way, same pattern, same stroke. From the third line, go to first line in a slanting way, come straight, and then go back over it like this and turn, and again now go in a slanting way to the first line, come down straight and go back on it, and then again like this you make, then again go in a slanting way and come like this, and this is how, this is H. Huh? So now we will make what? K. Same way, same pattern, same stroke. Go from third line to first line in a slanting way, come down, go back like how you went for H, turn like this round, and bring your pencil like this to the third line, go again like that, don't leave your hand, again come like this, then go back again, and then this way round, and then you bring it like this, then again from here you go up to the first line in a slanting way, come down straight, go up again and turn like this on the second line and bring it like this. K. No? Now we will write what? F. Same pattern, but only thing F comes, you use 4 lines. So from the third line we will go where? To the first line in a slanting way, come straight down making a loop and turn from the fourth line, go from in between the second and third line like this, and again take it out like this, bring it back again like this, and turn again like this, then again you go in a slanting way, come straight, turn from the red line, the last fourth line, and go like this and come out. F. Followed? Is it okay? Clear, no? Now see children, we will write the loopless ones. I. You will go from the third line to the second line like this and come on it back and turn like this and put the dot on the first line. Followed? You have to do like this. I. So now how you will join I? You see, like this, you come, another I you make like this, another I you make like this. Now did I leave my hand anywhere? No, in this one I left, but here I did not leave. Now after completing, you put the dot. Followed? Sorry, I just smudged it. So same way, J. You see, when I'm making a single J, then I leave my hand here and put the dot. But here I will not. This way, from the third line to the second line, come to the fourth line, turn inside, again go to the second line, come down to third line, turn like this, go again to the second line, come like this, turn like this, and now you see I'm making the dots. Alright? Now never do any overwriting. If any mistake, let the mistake and you go proceed further to the next line. You can choose the next line or you rub it and write again, but don't leave your hand and again start joining from anywhere. Alright? Now you see T, how I am writing in a single way. The single T, you see, I took it up, brought it down on it and turned like this, and then what I did, I cut it. Now I left my hand here, then cut it. But now you see, when I am joining 2-3 T's together or with some other letter I am joining T, what I do, I go to first line, come down, third line, start again, come down, and again go up to first line, come down. Did I leave my hand to cross the T? No. Now I am doing it. Followed? T. Now for P, there is no some fixed rule, but we have to write P where? On the 4 lines. See, if you make a loop and in case by mistake you don't make this line long till 4th line, it will look like H. So that's why never make a loop. Many people make this mistake. So you see how we will join. Go from the 3rd line like this, come to 4th line, and then turn like this, go again back to 1st line, come back, turn like this, again go to 1st line, come back and turn like this. P. Finished. Now see children, up till now we have finished almost all the letters. I have showed you how to join them also. C, A, D, G, Q, O, E, L, B, H, K, F, and then I, J, T, P. Now what we will write, which letters which are curved ones. First we will write with N. This way, take it like this, bring it like this, and again take it like this and bring it like this. N. Some of you all may think it's looking like M. No, it's not looking like M at all. Followed? Again we will write N. Go in a slanting way, come straight, go back up to the 2nd line, bring it like this, take it like this in a slanting way, bring it like this, and then go to the 2nd line, come like this. Again you see, many of you make lot of mistake in N. If I would have had a board, I would have shown you what all mistakes you'll make, but this I'm going to send you this video. That's why I don't want to write all these things or scribbling and all. I don't want to do. Followed? So now we will write M. See how we write M. First one N we make, then again go back, come like this, then take it like this in a slanting way, again another N from here, and then go back and another N we make, and like this. So the space is little less, then also I am sure you are able to see. So again we will write M. First make N, go back on it, come down like this, turn, take it to the second line, again turn like this and make another N, and then from it another N you will join like this, and then take it in a slanting way again, bring it to the third line like this, and this way, and like this, M. So over. Now we are left with two more letters, which are four more letters. You can say they are curved ones. So I will just take it up again. So children, see here. Now again we are going to join which letters? First we will write U. Followed? How we write U? You take it like this and bring it like this, like how you did for M and N and all. Then from down like this, take it in a rounded way, come down like this, again slanting and bring it straight, take it in a rounded way from down from the second line like this, and again come down and go slanting and bring it down like this and go up and come down like this, U. Same way we have to write Y. Followed? From second line to third line in a slanting way, come like this in a rounded way, go to the second line, come to the third line, turn inside, come out. From this line only you take it, extend it to the second line, and again make like this curved and come down, turn inside and come out, and again slanting way, make a U, come down straight here to the third line, turn inside, Y. Followed? Now we will write V. In a slanting way, go to the second line from the third line and then come like this, take it up to the second line, turn inside, and from here itself, you don't have to bring it down or anywhere. From here itself go again inside, turn, come out, again inside you go like this, you come down and inside you go, V. And then what? Like U we will make for W, like U. But again you go back like this to second line, go inside, bring it from inside out to the second line like this, again another W you will join over here, go inside, another W again, followed, and then go inside and come out. So have you followed? Huh? Now what is the next letter, children? What we will make? X. So how we make X? Like this, like this, like a C, and go like this to the second line, turn like this, and again like a C you will make, then goes in a slanting way to the second line, turn like this rounded, and then go like this to the second line, come and make another C like this, and this is X. Followed? All of you? Now in the same pattern, same strokes, what we will do? Z. This way we go and come to the fourth line, turn in, go like this straight to the second line, turn like this and come where? To the fourth line, turn like this, again take it slanting and this way and this way, Z. quickly we will finish the last two letters now. Followed? So last two letters are what? You will write R. Followed? R. In a slanting way, take it inside and come like this, and then again take it in a slanting way, turn inside and like this to the second line, little lower than the second line, and then turn again. It looks like one C only, and again take it inside like this and come out like this, and then this is how you write R. Followed? The last letter, that is S. What it is? S. In a slanting way, go inside, make it like this, slanting way, make it like this, come like this, the tail here, and then join another S like this. Over. We have completed 26 letters. Followed? And then now further what I told you, I will take you to join A, B, C, D, E, F small ones. Followed? So little complicated? Feeling afraid? No. Very easy. Now see children, now we are going to join different letters with one another. Followed? So we will start with A. How we start, you know, no? A. Then from here we will take it and B. Then again inside C. Did I leave my hand anywhere? Did I lift my hand? No. Continuously A, B, C, D I have written at one stretch, and now when I completed, then I left my hand like this. Followed? Now we will write E, F. Just see the movement of my hand, all of you. G, H. If you learn C, A, D, G, Q, O, these letters, one stroke letters properly, you won't have any problem writing anywhere. Followed? Any letter joining with any one, you won't have any problem, any of the letters when you join. Now you see this very carefully how I am writing I, then J, then K. Did I put the dots? No. I, J, K, L. I did not put the dot. Now I left my hand here. I stopped writing here, and now I am putting the dot. Followed? So never write I and then put a dot, then write J and then put a dot. Don't do that. That's wrong. Means you have broken the link, and that is not cursive writing. Followed? Now we will write little M and N. M, N, O. And we can write P also. There is space here. Followed? Now P. So are you all enjoying the cursive writing, all of you? Still afraid of writing? Those who are beginners, you should not be afraid. Once you have done practice, no need to be afraid. So we are going to start with what? With what? Q. After P comes Q. Q. R, S, T, and now I cut it like this. T, U, V, go inside, W, go inside and bring it out. Then we will write 3 more letters together. X, Y, and Z. So simple. No need to be afraid. Very easy everything is. Followed? So, in whichever letter you feel difficulty in writing, you see the previous videos, what I have told, how I have told you to go on which line. No need to continue if you are not sure how to write. If your strokes are good, if your strokes are right, your handwriting is going to be beautiful. And everyone will ask you, how you learned so beautifully your writing, very nice handwriting. When people praise you, you will feel so happy. Followed? Now children, very minutely, you just keep looking at my fingers, what I am doing, how I am writing. Followed? From inside the margin I am writing this. This is for if you do every day one page of this, what I am writing just now, from A to Z in one line. I am telling you, within 2-3 days your handwriting is going to be so beautiful. Followed? So we will write in one line only. Followed? A, B. If you find difficult, then at least 6-7 letters together you write first. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay, till only N I will write just now. Followed? And then you see, after this I broke the chain, and now O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. See, now I am going to put the dots and cut this T. I did not write the full in one go. Why? Because I knew you will be afraid, so that's why I broke the chain. So next time we will write full one line. Now see children, we will go in this full one line. We will make A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. My hand is slipping because of sweat. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now put the dots and cut the T this way. So easy. So have you understood, children? This you do one full. First you try with just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, like this, R, S, T, U till Z. 2-3 times you do like this, and then afterwards you do A to Z in one line. A to Z you write. Then what will happen? You will be able to write soon. So this is little bit difficult because you see, now for me also I was finding it difficult. Why? Because my hand sweating and it was slipping, the pen was slipping. Followed? So I hope you have understood this much. So this much for now, and next lesson I will take up with capital letters. Followed?